Alright, hello, welcome to the Magic Channel of Imad. This is going to be another table video. But also this is going to be a video about how not to underestimate your ideas. If you have a magical idea, write it down, tinker with it, and you never know, it could be a product that it could be a mainstream product, as I will demonstrate in this video. So back in the day, I wanted to travel internationally with my magic props. So I thought about why not have my the case that I'm going to check in the airport be the same case that I'm gonna present or have my props in on stage or on front of the audience. So I came up with maybe two Samsonite cases that they have unique features. One Samsonite case have 3 shelves in it, and it's really wide. It was really nice. This was made for more laptop friendly. It has a lot of compartments, as I will show you. It has a compartment in the front. It has a laptop thing over here, zipper here, and I added. It has 1 shelf, and I added another shelf in the middle. So as you can see, this is like a 3-shelf situation going on where I added random props there to show you like an example of how it looks. But that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is the table system that I wanted to have when I'm like a mini table or an assistant table, right? So this is where the laptop goes. I can put my books here. So I'll show you the solution that I came up with, and that same solution I kind of neglected. And then recently I saw something very similar to it in the suitcase market, I guess. So the idea was the handle over here, because I don't have a button here. I have a flat handle. What I did is I drilled a hole in the handle, and in the front section here, the front pocket here, I put a piece of plywood, a cloth, tablecloth, piece of plywood, and basically a screw, a nut, and an Allen key, all kind of together with a magnet. The idea is I drilled a hole in the handle. I drilled a hole in the wooden the plate here. I put the screw in. I put the nut underneath. And this is how I set up my temporary table. So the Allen key is just to kind of tighten it, and I can stick the Allen key to the magnet so it's all stick together and it's all held together, right? So this is good for dealing cards, to put a cup of water, to simple props, nothing heavy because it does go down like that. But maybe 5 pounds. It should handle 5 pounds, right? So this is how when I put it down, that was the idea. I can use this as an assistant table during the show, and the case will be open, and I can have access to the props facing me like this. So that was the idea. But because I have to drill a hole, I don't think this idea will be like people will be interested, because you have to damage the case. And now cases, they have a button like this. So what I did is instead of traveling with a suitcase that I check in, instead what I did is I am traveling with this suitcase that I can organize my props, and I can put this in a bigger suitcase, bigger professional suitcase. I can check it in. So this is my solution now. So what recently, when I was doing shopping in laptop tables, case or luggage tables, I came across this product, which is supposed to be a laptop table for a luggage that you can attach on the handle. So, and they came up with a solution not to damage or to do any drilling. So they came up with a Velcro solution. So I can show you how you apply this like this. You can put the Velcro around the handle. So this is the first time I'm putting this, and this over here you can just strap down, and this is the idea that you can put your laptop here. You do have 2 pockets in here, and this is really a cool alternative of the old idea I had. So instead of giving up on the idea, if I kind of tinker with it, and I thought about solutions of not different ways not to damage the suitcase, this became a mainstream product that you can buy. I did find one in the Chinese Temu market, so you can get one affordably. But this is it. It has like a leather texture. It's really cool. So you can get this, and it accommodates like lightweight props, and it's basically to assist you, but not to really put anything heavy. Before I let you go, let me talk about the organization case. So the style is to have the case not to hold the props, but to organize the props. So this one has 4 sections in here, and my style of show that I do a check, I reset it, and I put it back so it's ready for the next show. So I do have 4 compartments here, 2 pockets here, and over here I have 2 shelves, and I have a bunch of items in these 2 shelves here, right? I have my cups and balls, and I have as you can, I don't know if you can see this, but I can do easily like 12, 13, 14 tricks with this suitcase. The only awkward item is this right here, the big one right here, which I will take out during when I put this in a bigger suitcase, and I put it like this, and I can put this in a bigger suitcase basically. But when I go to the client, I can take this with me, and this is ready to perform. And now I can just pull this up. I'll find a way to kind of fit this in here somewhere, but I'm gonna definitely use this with this, since this one has a button, and I didn't want to damage for a table, but this will be a cool solution for me. So if you have good ideas, do not neglect them, do not think down upon them. Try to tinker them, try to see if you find solution, and you never know, they might become mainstream products. All right, we'll see you next time. I hope you like this video. Take care, guys.